Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to look about padding on XHTML. Now here this is our basic stuff, basic pattern, and then inside of the style, in order to do the padding we are going to deal with the style. But before that, let me type something on the body. I'm going to put let's start a header h2, and then I finish the header with \h2. In this header I put the header as I love Taliban. Okay, I love Taliban. Now this is our header. Let's go ahead and see how it appears. Okay, now it appears on the website, I love Taliban. Now we want to give a color in the background. Let's say we want to just highlight this text with the background. If I highlight like this alone, it just comes as a blue. I want to make some nice color, let's say yellow. I want to highlight it with a yellow color. To do that, what we have to do is go to style here, below the style, put put h2. That's our header 2 we created, h2, and then background color, dash color yellow. That's it. Now close the curly bracket, and when I refresh this one, here you can see we have a I love Taliban highlighted with a yellow background. Okay, now we are going to do paddings. Let's see about what's the padding is going to look like. Okay, now to do the padding, what we have to do is we just have to type padding, and let's add 20 pixel and see what happens. Colon 20 px, and then semicolon, and it finishes. Close it with a curly bracket, and remove this curly bracket here, and then refresh this one. Now you can see we have a padding around it. Okay, and we can also change the padding, choose the top, bottom. We can choose the size of the top, bottom. In order to do that, we have to just type padding dash. If you want to change it to top, dash top, and then let's say 30 pixel. We want to put 30 pixel, and remove this curly bracket, because curly bracket should be closing everything together. Okay, now padding bottom, dash bottom, I put 20 colon marks, and then 20 pixel, semicolon, and then I close the curly bracket. Okay, now let's see the changes. Now you can see according to the size we put, it's changing accordingly. That's how we create padding in a web page. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys later.